Good morning, children. How are you? I hope you are very fine and you are safe. Welcome to third class, page number 176. Okay. Yesterday we have learnt about the living things and non-living things. Okay. Living things, how they are feed, they move, they grow. Okay. Now we have to say one more thing we have to learn about it, like how the living things breathe. Yesterday I told you about this. They need air to breathe. Animals have lungs, gills or air holes to breathe. Only living things breathe. See, non-living things cannot breathe. They don't have nose, they don't have air holes, they don't have gills. Yes, they are not natural and they are human made. So they don't need not to breathe at all. Okay, children. So now cover the nose of a teddy bear and nothing will happen to it. Non-living things do not breathe, children. So what are these, children? Yes, these are the lungs of the human body. See, in the air hole, see, you can see this butterfly. The butterfly has air holes on this body. They have small, that is all. See, in the cockroaches also they have spiracles. And see, this one, gills. What is this? Gills. Gills are present in the fishes. You know, children, the frog is a type of animal which can survive land as well as in the water also. So it means frog has lungs, and to respire in the water it has moist skin. Okay, children. Now all the living things can breathe. Okay, now living things reproduce. A bird lays eggs. Baby birds come out of these eggs. Most new plants grow from seeds. Most human beings and animals like cows and cats give birth to babies. Only living things reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Have you seen that small pencil is giving small pencils, and a big eraser is giving small erasers? No, na? But you can see the small birds are there. Yes, it is giving rise to eggs. Yes, small eggs. Even in your home also, small cockroaches eggs also there. Small what you call as lizard eggs also there. Yes, you can find on the roof of the house also. You can find small eggs are there, and you can find the nest on the trees. In their nest, small eggs are there, right? So birds, what they do, beta, they lay eggs. Even the lizards also, even the hen also. Okay. So baby birds are coming out of these eggs. Yes, when you are observing any of the nest, like they will be broken after 20 to 21 days. Like the span can be different. Okay. They will go into the new birds. Okay. But see that eggs have the optimum temperature in the nest, then only they can grow. Okay, children. Now most new plants grow from seeds. Yes, children, have you seen the small children, even the sprouts also, na? The green gram, the black gram and the brown gram, it is in the process of germination. Yes, when you keep into the water and after that into the cloth your mother is doing, yes, then that germination process is taking place. From that seeds, the plant is growing, right? So this is a living thing. This is nature, right? The small seeds are giving into a new plants. Okay. So when you are growing the seed, when you are take one seed, put into the water and then keep in the soil, and then just pour the water. After few days, you can see that new plants are growing from that seed. Yes, when you are taking care of them. Yes. So this is very miracle, na? Like from the small seed, the plants are growing, and from the plants it is a big trees. Have you seen that banyan trees is very big? Yes. So human beings like we. So who has given birth to us? Our mothers. Yes. And animals like cows and cats give birth to babies. Okay. Like cows, you have seen small cows are there. Yes. Which are given birth by their mothers. Okay. The cats also and dogs also, they are giving the puppies. Even cats, kitten. Yes. Only living things reproduce. Non-living things cannot reproduce. Yes. that giving birth to the babies, that is called as reproduction. Okay. But there are two types, like birds are giving eggs and the human beings are giving direct birth to their babies, right? Like same as cats and dogs also. So here two different types of giving births are there, but they are giving birth to young ones. That is the reason they can reproduce. Okay, see this one, a small brown gram is kidney bean. This is called as kidney bean. It is have the stages and it is growing into a new plant, and the mother and father and a baby. Yes, we human beings, we are giving to babies. See, in the nest the eggs are there, the eggs are coming out. See, small chicks are there, and the bird is also feeding them to the small chicks. Yes, living thing reproduce. Okay children, now words to know. Stroke it. Here, cat. Gently move your hand over its back. Yes, sometimes you will just on your cat, your pets. Sometimes you just stroke them. Yes. Stranger, someone we do not know. Yes, someone we do not know. When you are going to the market, so many people you don't know, right? They are strangers. Okay, now check it. A quick recap means summarizing. In our world, there are living and non-living things. What are they, beta? Living things and non-living things. Things made by humans are called as human-made things. Living things include humans, animals and plants. Living things can grow. Living things can move, grow, eat, feel, breathe and reproduce. Okay, but non-living things cannot grow, cannot move, cannot eat, cannot feel, cannot breathe and cannot reproduce. These are the differences between the living things and non-living things. Okay, check out this fastly, beta. Check out this in fast. Yes, take the correct answers. These are living things: plants, tables or stones. Plants, yes. These are human-made things: clouds, stars or roads. Roads, stars we can prepare, no. Clouds we can prepare, no. Only roads. Buildings, bridges. These are natural things: bridges, stars or cars. Stars, these are natural. Then the cars and the bridges, they only prepared by human only. Next, living things dash. Grow, do not breathe, do not need food. No beta, we need food beta, and we need to breathe also, and we grow. Living things can grow. Just tick all the correct answers. Okay children? Now, we will do this one. What are human-made things? Give 3 examples. What are human-made things? Things made by human are called human-made things. Examples: car, bridges, and roads, cars, stone. Okay, these are all human-made things. What are natural things? Which created by the nature. The natural things are the things created by the nature. Like stars, stones, plains, fields. These are clouds, sun, moon. These are examples. Why do living things need food? Living things need food to grow. Okay. Next. Why do we need to breathe? Name 2 body parts that animal use to breathe. We need to breathe so that we can survive. Yes. We cannot survive without breathing. Right children? Yes. 2 body parts are lungs, gills, hair holes. These are all. Okay, now think and answer. A chair made up from wood is a human-made thing. What are the 3 major differences between the chair and tree? Obviously, children, chair cannot move. Tree can. It is also not move. Okay, but it can grow. Chair cannot grow. Tree can grow. Chair need not food, but tree need foods. Okay, tree need food like water, soil, and sunlight. Okay, and tree can breathe, chair cannot breathe. Understood? And tree, it can reproduce, but chair cannot reproduce. Okay children? Yes. Next one. This is the small activity children. This is a project. Okay, let us see if you can do at home or not. Okay. Project. Living and non-living. Divide the class into 2 groups. Collect some old magazines. One group cuts the picture of living things and the other groups cuts the picture of non-living things. Both group paste their collection of pictures on the sheets of chart paper. Display the charts in the class bulletin board. Nothing, children. You can draw also, children. Take two papers. One paper of living things, one paper of non-living things. You can nicely draw the car, chair, pencil, eraser, table. These all non-living things. In the living things, you can draw plants, birds, trees, human beings, babies. Okay. These all you can draw. Okay. Insects like butterfly, grasshopper. Okay. Now, next one. Unscramble the words on the train and write in the correct order. Okay. Okay, you can do beta. Natural things and human made things. What are natural things? Like this one. Tiger. Tiger. Tree. Tree. Next. Cup. Cup will come into the non-living things. Pen. Pen. Here it will come into the non-living things. Okay. This one. Train. Train. Train also comes into the non-living things. And sun. Sun. Sun will come into the living things. Living things means like natural things. These are all natural things. Okay. Not living things. Okay. Next. Go for a walk with your family on the way. Collect 5 non-living things. Can you use them to make any interesting, like a pencil holder with on an old mug, a table mat from the leftover piece of fabric? Yes, you can do. Yes, when you are going out, you can take the leaves. Okay, from the leaves you can prepare one. What you can prepare? You can prepare a different decorative item. Yes. A pencil holder also you can prepare from the old mug or any of the bottles. Yes. Like a table mat you can prepare from the fabric, but it will take a time. You can take the help of your parents. Okay. Value. You take care of your books and toys. These are human made things. Do you also care of your things? Tick the correct ones. You do. I take care of the plants at home, at school. Yes, you do. You have to check. Okay, and you have to do. Okay, I pluck flowers. Oh, you are plucking the flowers. No, children, you should not do, children. Okay, next. I do not hurt stray animals. Yes, that is very important. We should never tease animals. We should never hurt the animals. And we should never hurt ourselves also. We have to take care of ourselves also. We have to take care of our plants also. Okay, yes, we should not hurt stray animals also. Please tick the first and third one. Okay, children, so this is all about living things and non-living things. Tomorrow I will try to say the new words, like from the living things, non-living things. What is the spelling of bridges, wonderful things, and human made things, natural things. Okay, mimosa plant, like touch me not. Okay, these all things I will say you. Okay, children. And what is the spelling of reproduce? What is the meaning of stroke and stranger? This all. Okay. Okay, what are natural things, what are human made things? I hope you have understand the lesson, and if you are getting any of the doubts, please ask. Okay, thank you, children. Have a nice